Hello everyone, I am Shiban Balakrishnan. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Looking into the observed weather during past 24 hours, heavy rainfall has been observed at isolated places over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Bihar. Hailstorm has been reported at isolated places over Jammu, Uttarakhand and over sub-Himalayan West Bengal. Thunderstorm activity followed with wind speeds in the range of 50 to 110 kmph were observed at isolated places over parts of Northeast India and over parts of East India with wind speed in the range of 30 to 50 kmph. Associated thunderstorms observed mostly over parts of Central India. Looking into the heatwave conditions, severe heatwave conditions prevail in isolated pockets over Himachal Pradesh and East UP with heatwave conditions at isolated places over Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and over Vidarbha and Bihar. Severe warm night conditions were observed in isolated pockets over West Uttar Pradesh and isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, East UP and over Rajasthan. Looking into the highlights of today's briefing, the heatwave conditions currently prevailing is forecasted to persist over major parts or over scattered pockets of northwest and central India for the next 3 days and abate thereafter. Fairly widespread to widespread rainfall activity in association with thunderstorm and lightning with gusty winds are forecasted over parts of sub-Himalayan West Bengal and over major parts of northeast India during the week. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is forecasted in sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and northeast India during the week. Thunderstorm activity is forecasted over East India during the week along with Northwest India during 28th April to 2nd May, over Central India during 27th to 30th April and over South Peninsular India during 28th to 30th April. Looking into synoptic conditions of today, the western disturbance is currently seen over 80 degrees east to the north of 32 degrees. A cyclone circulation lies over East Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood. Another cyclone circulation lies over northeast Jharkhand and neighborhood. Looking in southern parts of the country, a trough runs from north interior Karnataka to Comorin area across south interior Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. A cyclone circulation lies over central parts of Madhya Pradesh. A trough runs in west is roughly around 89 degrees east to the north of 20 degrees. Anti-cyclone circulation is currently sitting over interior Maharashtra and neighborhood in the lower and middle levels. Looking into the maximum temperature forecast, northwest India is forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures till 28th April, with gradual fall forecasted by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius on 29th and 30th April and gradual rise forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during 1st and 2nd May. Central India is forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures till 27th of April and gradual fall is forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during 28th to 30th April. East India is forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures till 26th of April with gradual fall forecasted during 27th April to 1st May by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Northeast India is forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures till the next 24 hours with gradual fall by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius during 27th to 30th April. Maharashtra is again forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures for next 24 hours with gradual fall forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius till 1st of May. Gujarat state is forecasted no significant change in maximum temperatures till 28th of April and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during 29th April to 2nd of May. The remaining parts of the country are forecasted with no significant change in maximum temperatures. Looking into sub-regional wise weather warning for next 24 hours, Northeast India is forecasted with heavy rainfall activity over major parts of the region associated with thunderstorm and gusty winds. Looking into central parts of the country, heat wave is forecasted over major parts of Madhya Pradesh, or parts of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and over parts of Rajasthan, over parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain, mostly over Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, with warm night conditions forecasted over parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Madhya Pradesh. Hot and humid conditions are forecasted to prevail over coastal parts of Gujarat, over parts of Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, over parts of Rayalaseema and over parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh. Southern Peninsula forecasted with thunderstorm activity over major region. Hailstorm activity is forecasted over parts of Jharkhand and over parts of Gangetic West Bengal. Looking into the day 2 warning, heatwave conditions are forecasted to prevail over parts of Jammu, over parts of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat state, over parts of central India, mostly over West Madhya Pradesh, over East Madhya Pradesh, over parts of Chhattisgarh, with hot and humid conditions forecasted to prevail over parts of Kerala, over parts of Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh. Looking into thunderstorm activity, major parts of northeast India's forecast thunderstorm activity with heavy to very heavy rainfall over major parts of the region, with hailstorm activity forecasted over parts of Jharkhand. Looking into the day 3 warning, hailstorm activity is forecasted over major parts of Western Himalayan region with heatwave conditions mostly confined to parts of East Madhya Pradesh and over parts of Chhattisgarh, with hot and humid conditions forecast over parts of Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh and over parts of Tamil Nadu. Thunderstorm activity is forecast over major parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain, Central India and parts of South Peninsula India, with heavy rainfall activity forecasted over Bihar and very heavy rainfall over parts of Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. With respect to day 4, thunderstorm activity is forecast over major parts of Western Himalayan region, over parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain, Central India and over parts of South Peninsula India, with heavy rainfall activity forecasted to prevail over parts of Northeast India, heavy rainfall mostly confined over parts of Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Assam and Meghalaya. Hot and humid conditions are forecasted to prevail over parts of Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh and over parts of Tamil Nadu. Looking into the day 5 warning, thunderstorm activity is forecasted to prevail over major parts of North India, Central India, parts of South Peninsula India, with the higher intensity over parts of Northeast India and heavy rainfall forecast over parts of Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and over Assam and Meghalaya. With respect to day 6 warning, thunderstorm activity is mostly confined over forecasted over parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain and over parts of East India, with heavy rainfall activity forecasted over major parts of Northeast India and over parts of Kerala. With respect to day 7 warning, thunderstorm activity is forecasted to prevail over major parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain, over parts of East India and over parts of Northeast India, with heavy rainfall activity forecasted over major parts of Northeast India. For round the clock weather updates, kindly request you to follow IMD social media handles. Thank you.